I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want to move the needle now, so first unplug the machine for safety and set the needle to its highest point. Lower the presser foot to relax the feed dogs and thread tension. This makes removal cleaner. With one hand steadying the shaft, use a screwdriver or the built-in clamp to loosen the needle clamp about 1/4 turn, then pull the needle straight down and out. Once removed, inspect the shank and needle clamp slot for burrs. Make sure the new needle size matches your fabric and thread choice. Now insert the replacement needle with its flat side toward the marked or rear side of the throat. Orientation is critical for hook timing and stitch formation. Push the needle up fully until it bottoms out in the clamp. You should feel it seat, then tighten the clamp firmly. Avoid over-tightening, which can bend the shank. Once tightened, rethread the needle and lower the presser foot. Hand crank the machine through 2 full revolutions to confirm the needle clears the bobbin area and forms a proper stitch path. Finish by sewing a 4 to 6 inch test seam on scrap fabric that mimics your project weight. You want to confirm even stitches and correct tension. If you see skipped stitches, breakage, or thread bunching, make sure the needle orientation, size, and clamp tightness are correct. A wrong size versus fabric can cause issues. If the needle bends, hits metal, or the timing seems off, stop immediately. Make sure to unplug, recheck installation, and if the problem persists, seek professional timing adjustment to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.